Oh, y'all hear that, everybody? From Wes's mouth. Lonnie and Wes taking a walk on the farm, and there's Biscuit, and there's Pokey coming up behind, and there's my shadow. Sunny day on Triple W Farm. A little breezy. Ooh, scary.
Look, I'm exercising.
Oh, yeah. Watch, you'll pass out in a second. All right, that's it. The 1 minute clip of the walk.